Hello everyone, this is Ezekiel, King Ezekiel, once again. And I want to teach you how to get a free website. So, after checking out their free features, you can check out their paid features. Let me show you. So, simply go to systeme.io. systeme.io. So the way you spell system, but with E, systeme.io. So can you see them? They have incredible features. So can you see? So they have the free, the startup, the webinar, and the unlimited. So you can start with the free, and if you want to do more, you can go to the startup. But the free, can you see? You can create 3 sales page, and you see, which is actually good for a start. So you can just keep editing that same one or those same 3. So click get my free account and sign up with your Gmail account. So I want to believe that's not something that you cannot do. So click get my free account, enter your email. After you're done typing your email, click get started free. They will ask you to put your password. Once you put your password, they will send email for verification. Da 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 da. But anyways, when you're done, meet me at the other side. So this is the other side I was talking about, which is the dashboard. Now there's a lot you can do here. I want you to explore. So the major thing I'll be showing you, okay, this is when I tested it. So can you see that I tested it to see if it's working? And it's actually working. So you can have fun with it. But the major thing I want to show you here is sales funnel. So like I said, you can do this on your phone. I don't know if I mentioned it. You can do this on your phone. All you need to do is what? Change it to desktop site. And if you don't know how to do that, just check Google how to change Chrome mobile to desktop site. So let's dive into it. Click website if you are using phone. If you are using laptop, just put your mouse over it. Then click sales funnel. So can you see? You see that I've had fun with it a little bit. Can you see? I've had fun with it. So click create. So yeah, you're going to name your sales funnel. Let's name as testing and teaching. So what do you want to use it for? You want to use it to sell, right? The currency, you can put it in Naira. Just type NGN, or can you say Nigerian Naira? Then click save. But if you want to use it to build audience, you can click build audience. So click save. So can you see? This is it. So click testing and teaching. Can you see? It will give you different options, incredible options. So let's assume you found the one you like. Let's say this one. You can preview it too, though. You can preview it if you want to. So can you see? Very simple and sweet. So can you see? So let's go back. So another thing I realized, you can click 15, so it will load 15. It will show you only for sales, which means straight up, like name, this, and the product. So in case you're not satisfied with that one, go back to sales funnel, click create, uh, testing and teaching 2, build audience. So click save, then click it. So just watch the options that it give us now. Can you see? Can you see a different type of a different list of options? Can you see? So you can select which one you like best. Now, by the way, if you wanted to have the freedom of like the freedom to design what you want, you could have just chosen custom, but I don't want to spend a lot of time doing that. So I will select this because I love it. So what's the name? Let's say testing page. So click edit page. Can you see how simple it is? Very, very simple and easy. Remember that you only have 3 though. You only have the grace to create 3. So when you are done, you can just edit the one that you have created before. So for this one, if you don't want to use the entire website, you can just delete this one. Just click delete. Delete this entire row. You place your mouse above it like this and click this. Make sure you don't delete this green one. That's the entire section. And if you do, just press Ctrl Z. So can you see? This is it. It's giving us freedom to be able to edit. Now look at this. Incredible. Can you see it? Now I can check phone. Can you see phone? Desktop and phone underneath here. Can you see? Underneath. So let's edit. Let's click this. Let's say testing. Sorry, delete. Testing with my students. Can you see? So you have the grace of changing the text size. Can you see? You can also come here to increase the font size. Can you see by my right or by my left hand side rather? Can you see? In case it is too clumsy, we can increase the line height, which is like space in between each um, paragraph. I think that's the, yeah, in between each line rather, not paragraph. Then we can increase the letter spacing just to make it a little bit wide. I think 1 is enough. So can you see? Incredible. Can you see how easy it is? Then you can underline, you can remove so you can just have fun with it. Can you see? You can select what to underline. So in case you have something like NGN 5,000 naira, you can come here and say cross it out and say we are giving it for just 2,000. Come here and uncross it. So can you see? So Now this is the button. Now let me show you something. Click button. Now firstly, you can change the color. Can you see? You can change this one too. So whatever you like. Incredible. So this one is for the padding top, which I wouldn't suggest you change. Can you see top? Control Z. Sorry, that was a mistake. Good. So let's go back to editing. So just leave it as 00. I'm just showing you. This one is 13, 15. So they already perfected it for you. So the rounded corners, you can also change them. This one is for shadow. So you can explore with all these ones, but let me show you the major ones. So action when button is clicked, it's going to show you a pop-up. But you can click what? You can choose what? Open URL. So you'll be able to put the URL here. Let's go look for a URL. So now if you want to direct them to your WhatsApp, you can use create.wa.link to create a URL. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So good day everyone. So here you come to your browser, you type create. Can you see create.wa.link? That's create.wa.link. Then enter. So this is where you can create WhatsApp links. So you just scroll down here. So you type your number here. Type your number here. Say 0. Let me try to get my number. Sorry. So yes, you put your number here. You can remove the first 0. It's still alright. I think it's even better to remove the first 0. So you type the custom message. So the custom message will be I want to purchase this that product, or I want to make inquiries about this that. So you just put the message there. I want to make inquiries about the chocolate cake that is sold for 2,500. You just put the message there. Then you scroll down, click generate my WA link. Then click copy link. So you've copied that link. So what you can do is that you can open a new tab, then paste the link you just copied. So can you see it? So just leave it there like that, so you won't lose the link. Or you can go and paste it somewhere. And WhatsApp is doing something new now. WhatsApp is doing something new. So if you click chat, can you see you can message yourself and send some things to yourself. So you can just send it to yourself. So can you see you can send it to yourself, so it will just be there. Good. So now in the next video I'll be teaching you how to how to create a traffic ad. So thank you. This is King Ezekiel. Good. So you can paste the URL here, which is incredible, like I showed. So you can say open a new window. Now in case you don't know what that means if you're on this tab and you click it, it will open in a new tab. The link will open in a new tab. Bam. So just for the record, you can preview. So can you see this eye here? If you are using phone, I wouldn't suggest you use preview because you will have to be going back and forth, but you can just see it here. So let's click preview. Now make sure you save. So let's say open in a new window. Can you see our beautiful page? So click this. Can you see it opened in a new window? But assuming we chose open in same window, it will overwrite this and open in the same window. So let's experiment with that. Preview mode is supposed to auto update. So open in same window. This one has not changed. Don't mind it. Ah, it's not opening in the same window. So let's try it again. Open in a new window. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Opening a new window means to open an entirely new window. But it's bringing out is anyways. It's doing the same thing anyways. So that's that about that. So you can change the text, but anyways, the link is opening. That's all that matters. So you can change the text to contact via WhatsApp. Can you see? Or buy via WhatsApp. So whatever text you use here, make sure it is consistent. Make sure it isn't something that you're changing. And why is because when you set up event is actually marking the text that you use. So even as little as adding an exclamation mark, Facebook will not be able to identify that this is a text. Sorry, Facebook will not be able to identify that this is the text that you tracked. So when you track events, it is what you see here. So buy via WhatsApp is different from uh, purchase via WhatsApp. So if you change the text here, you have to track the event again. So you can come here to change the font. So you can use Google fonts, which I wouldn't suggest to use because there are so many. There's so many. So I'll just suggest you use the default font. But if you want to uh, change the font, that's incredible, but it's just time wasting since they've already chosen an incredible font for you. So let me now show you something. To move this text, click outside, put your mouse on top of it. You see this arrow to move. You can move it to the top. Hold on, sorry. You can move it to the top like this, and you can move it down. Sorry, click outside again, move it down. Can you see? You can move it down again. So you click outside, move it down. Okay, I think, yeah, can you see? You have moved it down. Then let's move this one down. So the first time you click it, it might not work. Did you see that? So you can move it up, you can move it down. While this is to what? Duplicate. So it's to duplicate. So you can have fun with this stuff. So you can just click it to see the remaining options, or you can click this edit. So I want you to have fun with it. I want you to have fun with it. Now this is blocks. This is element. You can actually add an image, and it's as easy as dragging and dropping. That's how easy it is. Can you see? Drag and drop. can add video, drag and drop. Very easy. So let me teach you how to add image. So all you need to do is drag and drop, then click it to edit, remember. So you can add the link to an image, which I wouldn't suggest, or you can just click this upload. So this is where you put the link. If you want to put the link, a link to maybe a photo that is online that you like, or you can just upload. Click upload and select. You can drag and drop or select any image you want to use. So click select. I want to use this. Where is it? Okay, so this is the inspiration for the so this is the inspiration for the Mimic logo, for those who are following. So let me use it. I love it. So can you see it? Then you click insert. Now another thing you can do is, if you've uploaded the image before, or you can just come here to select it and click insert. So just wait for it. It's optimizing the image. So this is actually not it, I feel like these sites have been inspired by WordPress, so they just made it easier. So this one is as easy as WordPress to using Elementor, like I explained in my courses. So click insert. So can you see it? Sometimes to scroll, you might not be able to scroll. Just remember to click uh, outside. Now this is not fine. I'm not asking you to do something like this. So I'm just showing you uh, how to get it done. Now video is the same thing. So to drop, you see that line. Just let me take it out first. Can you see that line underneath? Nice, that blue line. That means if you drop it, it's going to show up underneath. So click. Now can you see? You can use direct link, you can upload video, you can use custom embed. Now upload video is to upload the video. So you just click this upload, you'll be able to upload the video. Then you can select autoplay. That means when they get when they open your page, the video will immediately start playing. So you can say controls. That means they'll be able to pause the video. So you can put a thumbnail file such that when they get to the page, this is what will display first before the video starts playing. So like I said, have fun. So let's delete the video. Let's delete the image too. Now let me show you something, because you might be wondering, okay, after all these things, after all these many things, how can I put my my pixel code? So in case you don't know what pixel is, I will explain further, but just for the record, just take note of this. Click settings. So there's a lot you can do. Scroll down. Can you see it? What did I do? I scroll down, then you click edit header code. So this is where you paste the pixel code, then click save. So So mind you, you have to do this for every page. Or you go to settings for every sales page you create. You click edit header page, then you paste it here, then click save. Now what are you going to paste? Let me show you. So let me show you how to, because some of you don't really know about this Facebook pixel and events, so you might be new to it. So let me just show you how to get it done. So let me quickly explain how to set up a business manager account. So business manager, so in case you don't know what Facebook business manager is, Facebook business manager is used to manage your Facebook business. So that means your ad accounts, your pixel, your pages, your events. So now go to your browser and type business.facebook.com. Business.facebook.com. I want to believe you've done that. Good. So in case if it takes you to a page called business suits, because sometimes it does like that, it just redirects to business suits. Don't worry about it. Just go to facebook.com/ads manager. Wait for it to load. So good. So can you see this thing here? Business settings. Good. Then click on it. It will take you to um that Facebook business page. So it will take you to this page. So click create account. Click create account. Good. Then fill in the form and click submit. So in case you try to fill it and it says error, so what you need to do is clear your browser history, change your internet. So in case if you are using Glo, for example, change it to something like MTN or maybe Airtel. So change your internet, clear your browser history, log into Facebook again, follow this process, then submit. Fill the form and submit. Good day everyone, this is Ezekiel. So let me quickly show you how to use Business Manager. So firstly, you need to add pages or page, maybe just one page. So if you already have a page there, that's good. If you don't, click add and add a page. Just create one or add a page. Then click add accounts, add, create new ad account. So you type the ad account name, for example Moban, then change the currency, make sure it is Naira. Though it might take you some time to find Africa, but just keep scrolling down, you see Africa Lagos. Click Africa Lagos. Good. Then click next. My business. create rather. So it take a minute to load. Good. So your name will show your ticket, then manage account, assign. So you'll be in charge of everything. So you can just close it for now. Just close this one. Yeah, just exit. So go to data source. That's where you'll be able to set up your pixel. So can you see mobile services doesn't have any pixel. So go to new tab, open your website. So this one is mobileglobal.com/wp-admin. So just wait for it to load. Good. So make sure you signed in successfully. Good. So click add. Good. So you have to type in the URL here. So instead of typing, you can just copy it from here. The URL of the website. Copy it from here, then paste it here. Good. Then continue. So you can decide to continue the pixel setup, or you can decide to wait till later, but let's just continue it. So set up the pixel now. So what we want to do is we want to manually add pixel code. So click manually add pixel code. So they will ask you to copy this long thing. So click copy. So once you click copy, don't worry about testing the base code. So there are different ways to do this. Either you copy this code and paste it in the header, or you use pixel my site. I wanted to use pixel my site, but I've changed my mind. So I hope that was clear. So this is where you paste the code after getting the code. Come back here. So what we want to do now is that we want to test the URL. So they want to know if what the pixel code is already there. So send test traffic. So you just give it a minute. So you see that it's still loading. Just give it a minute. Okay, said no activity yet. So just wait. It happens like that sometimes. So click continue. As far as you know that you have copied the code and you pasted it there. So click continue. So can you see use Facebook event setup too? So that's for event. So click it. Good. So let me see. Okay, let me send the test traffic here. Mobile.com. So open website. By the way, if you want to go to your business manager, you can just click settings here. Or if you don't want to do it that way, or the other way is to click, you see your account here, then you see your business account. This one is your main account. This one is your main account. This one is your business account. So click it, business account. So we have already set up our pixel. So we want to check if what we set up is actually. So can you see it's business.facebook.com/ads manager. So we still have to go towards business settings. Just wait for it to load first. So can you see business settings here? Click it. Then wait for it to load. So let's now check if everything is in place. So let's go to brand safety domain first. So let's click on verify and see if this one works. Give it a minute. Okay, so can you see? As I said, you should leave it for a couple of hours. Done. So let's go to data source pixel or pixels. Okay, this is our pixel. Okay, it is active as usual. You can just open event manager from here. So we want to check if the pixel is if all the connection have been done. So let's just give it a minute to load. So what we want to do now is I want to check if our pixel. Okay, there's a list accounting page views 11. So let's set up event. So I want to believe you've left you on for a couple of hours. If not, you can still test it. If it gives you the same error, then leave it for a couple of hours. So paste the link here, Ctrl V, then open website. I remember I said if you cannot click this open website, just press enter twice. 1, 2. So let's wait for it to load.
Hello. Do you need a reliable, efficient, and affordable real estate
Sorry
service?
about that.
What you need is mobile.
Sorry about that. It was on the website, or it is on the website. Okay, so to set up your event, so can you see that everything is working fine? It isn't giving that error again. And I said if it brings out an error here, pop-up error, blah blah blah, just click on it. It will be somewhere around here. Click on it and say always allow facebook.com. So this one, click next, then get started. So now we can track a new button. For example, read more. contact us. So let's track a new button, contact us, click it. So let me go back again. Track new button, click the button you want to track. So now, do you understand what I was talking about when I said event? So there are different types of events. Can you see? Add to cart, initiate checkout, lead, purchase, blah 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 blah. So once you say contact us is what? For contact. Confirm. So can you see that? So now if you want to set up events for your landing page, put the link to your landing page here. Then open website. So track purchase via WhatsApp or all those your buttons. Track them. So if it is, for example, okay, so if it is, for example, purchase via WhatsApp, so you just click track new button, click purchase via WhatsApp, and select purchase. Then you see it here. So click finish setup when you are done, and finish. So just say yes. You don't need to write long story after that. Excuse me. Then click submit. Done. So can you see? We have tracked the new button. So you can just refresh this page. It's supposed to show under page view. So refresh the page. So that's how Facebook will be able to know the number of people that have contacted you. So they'll be able to charge you per contact. And they will be able to know, okay, if this uh person actually click this conversion button, this or contact button or purchase button. So Facebook will try to like know what the person is interested in. Facebook already knows, but Facebook will try to like find other people that will be interested based on the interests of the person that just clicked that contact button. I don't know if you understand. Let me explain it again. So for example, if I come to your website through Facebook ad and I click purchase button, and the things that I'm interested in are stuffs like school, education, and things like that. So Facebook will try to look for more people that are interested in education and school because that's what I'm interested in, and I just converted. Okay, so that's not all. So if you go to, for example, more tools, open Ads Manager in a new tab. So you would notice, I know most of you noticed it before I actually went to business settings. Like you can't click this create button because you need to verify your email address, your business email address. So click go to business settings. So wait for it to load. Just give it a minute. So click edit, then put your email address there. Good. Then save. So they will send the verification email there to your email address. So check it out and make sure you verify. So the battery is already running low. So verify so you'll be able to run your ads. Thank you once again. This is Ezekiel. So lastly, let me just save this one. then go back to dashboard. System.e.io/dashboard. So I'll teach you how to navigate it again. So I said you go to website, you click sales funnel. Can you see? Now, what about if you want to edit it? If you click here, you won't be able to edit it. You only be able to view, duplicate, and deactivate or something like that. But to edit, you have to click here. Then to show you this, then you'll be able to click edit page. So I won't be able to teach you everything on this. Truth be told, there's a lot more, but you can have fun. Like I said, have fun. Have fun. Thank you. My name is Ezekiel. I love you. Have a lovely life. Have a wonderful day.